What if I told you one of these oils was once more valuable than gold? Most people use these oils daily, yet they have no idea about the hidden risks and rewards. Olive oil. Olive oil, a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, has been cherished for thousands of years, not only for its culinary attributes, but also for its role in historic rituals and medicine. The oil, derived from the fruit of the olive tree, was so valuable in ancient times that it was often used as a form of currency. Today, it continues to be a central element in both kitchen pantries and health discussions worldwide. The transition from ancient to modern use has seen olive oil evolve into a versatile kitchen ingredient that enhances flavors and offers numerous health benefits. It is widely recognized for its heart health benefits, particularly its role in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology suggests that the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is a significant contributor to the incidence of heart attacks and strokes. Moreover, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which are vital in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants include vitamin E and polyphenols, compounds that have been studied extensively for their ability to protect cells from damage. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry has highlighted that these antioxidants can reduce the oxidative damage due to free radicals, which are believed to be a leading cause of cancer and aging. Beyond its health impacts, olive oil is also celebrated for its culinary uses. Its robust flavor enhances salads, pastas, and even cakes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Olive oil's high smoking point makes it suitable for sautéing and frying, although it's at its most beneficial when used fresh, such as in dressings or as a simple dip for bread. Olive oil isn't just confined to the kitchen. It has practical uses beyond culinary applications. It's used in natural beauty products, including skin moisturizers and hair conditioners, thanks to its hydrating properties. Olive oil has also been incorporated into dietary supplements and is used in traditional remedies for a variety of ailments, from soothing upset stomachs to conditioning the skin and hair. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is swiftly gaining recognition not only as a gourmet cooking oil, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. Extracted from the flesh of avocados, this oil is a relative newcomer to the culinary scene compared to its counterparts like olive oil. However, its myriad health benefits and versatile culinary applications have catapulted it into the limelight. The popularity of avocado oil can be attributed to its rich content of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their positive effects on heart health and cholesterol levels. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, the high levels of monounsaturated fats in avocado oil can help reduce bad cholesterol levels while raising the levels of good cholesterol. This balance is vital for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Avocado oil is highly regarded for its benefits to skin health. It is rich in vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties and its role in protecting skin from oxidative damage caused by UV rays and pollution. A study in the Dermatology Journal found that vitamin E, when applied topically, helps in reducing UV-induced skin damage and may slow the aging process of skin cells. Apart from benefiting the skin, the vitamin E found in avocado oil is essential for overall health. It acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals in the body. The Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry reports that vitamin E also plays a critical role in enhancing immune function, thereby contributing to better health and disease prevention. Avocado oil can also be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. The monounsaturated fats in the oil can promote satiety, reducing hunger and the overall calorie intake. A publication in the Nutrition Journal highlighted that incorporating avocado oil in meals might aid in weight management and metabolic control by enhancing feelings of fullness and reducing the desire to eat. Avocado oil's subtle flavor and high smoke point make it an excellent choice for a variety of cooking methods. It can withstand higher temperatures without breaking down and releasing harmful free radicals, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, and grilling. When used in salad dressings, its mild flavor does not overpower other ingredients, which allows the natural state of fresh vegetables to shine through. Additionally, avocado oil is perfect for marinades, enhancing the flavor of meats and vegetables with its creamy texture and subtle taste. Its emulsifying properties make it suitable for creating stable mayonnaise and creamy sauces that are both flavorful and nutritious. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has been at the center of a heated debate within the health and nutrition community. Its high saturated fat content has led some health experts to advise caution, while others highlight its health benefits, supported by emerging scientific research. This dichotomy has piqued the interest of both consumers and researchers looking to understand the true impact of coconut oil on health. The controversy mainly stems from coconut oil's unique composition. Unlike other vegetable oils, coconut oil consists predominantly of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Studies, such as those published in the Journal of Nutrition, indicate that MCTs are metabolized differently from long-chain triglycerides found in other oils. They are absorbed and converted into energy more quickly, which can positively impact metabolism. One of the most touted benefits of coconut oil is its potential to boost metabolism. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published findings that MCTs in coconut oil increase energy expenditure and help enhance metabolic rates. This metabolic boost is believed to contribute to the oil's popularity among those looking to manage weight and increase energy levels. Coconut oil is also known for its antimicrobial properties, thanks to the presence of lauric acid, which constitutes about 50% of the fatty acids in coconut oil. Once ingested, lauric acid forms a substance called monolaurin. Research documented in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrates that both lauric acid and monolaurin can kill harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes coconut oil a beneficial addition to the diet for enhancing the body's immune defenses. There is intriguing evidence suggesting that coconut oil could have beneficial effects on brain function. This is particularly significant in the context of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. The Journal of Neurobiology of Aging reported that the MCTs in coconut oil could provide an alternative energy source for impaired brain cells, which may alleviate symptoms in Alzheimer's patients. Although more research is needed, this potential benefit has drawn considerable interest. Types of coconut oil and their uses. Coconut oil comes in various forms, each suited to different applications. Understanding the differences between these types can help consumers choose the right oil for their cooking, health, and beauty needs. Virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is extracted from the fruit of fresh, mature coconuts, without the use of high temperatures or chemicals. This method preserves the natural flavor, aroma, and most importantly, the nutritional content of the oil. Virgin coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid, or MCT, known for its ability to support the immune system, as well as antimicrobial and antifungal properties. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, virgin coconut oil's antioxidants are effective in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, making it a beneficial dietary addition. The use of virgin coconut oil extends beyond the kitchen. It is highly valued in beauty regimens. Its moisturizing properties make it ideal for skin and hair care. Virgin coconut oil can be applied directly to the skin as a natural moisturizer or used as a hair mask to nourish and revitalize dry, damaged hair. Refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil, unlike virgin coconut oil, is made from dried coconut meat, also known as copra. The oil extracted from copra is often bleached and deodorized to remove impurities and any lingering coconut smell. This process also increases the oil's smoke point, making refined coconut oil a more suitable choice for high-temperature cooking methods such as frying and sautéing. Although refined coconut oil lacks some of the nutritional benefits of virgin coconut oil due to the processing it undergoes, it still retains most of its medium-chain fatty acids, which can contribute to metabolic health. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes that MCTs in refined coconut oil can help in energy expenditure and offer a quick source of energy as they are rapidly absorbed by the body. Fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is a form of the oil that has been processed to remove almost all the long-chain fatty acids, leaving mainly the medium-chain triglycerides. This processing alters the characteristic of the oil, making it remain liquid even at low temperatures. The primary use of fractionated coconut oil is in cosmetics and aromatherapy. Due to its light, non-greasy consistency and stability, fractionated coconut oil is an ideal carrier for essential oils, enhancing their absorption into the skin without altering their fragrance. It is also popular in skincare products because it penetrates the skin quickly, providing hydration without clogging pores or leaving a heavy residue. Additionally, its antioxidant properties help to protect the skin from the visible signs of aging. We've just explored the incredible benefits and uses of olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Each offers unique advantages, from enhancing your heart health to improving skin and even boosting your metabolism. So which oil do you think can claim the top spot as the healthiest? The answer might just surprise you, but that's a topic for another time. Thanks for watching.